What's going on? It's Brian Gubernick with Patriot Property Management alongside my partner, Cassie McClenaghan. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the mistakes that owners make when managing their own property. What would you say is the mistake that do-it-yourself landlords make?
Probably when it comes to pricing, again, right? You feel that nice warm fuzzy about the people and you want to be fair and you want them to rent your property and be happy about it. So maybe you leave some money on the table. A little bit of money over time can be a big loss in the end.
I mean, you run out the math. If you're, call it $200 below market over the course of the year, that's $2,400. I mean, in many cases, it's a full month or even 2 months worth of rent. That is a lot of money on the table.
Yeah.
The alternative to making these mistakes would be in engaging a professional, someone that's going to screen, going to properly price, going to make sure you're compliant legally, and look out for your best interests. If you're interested in talking to us about how we could help you with your property and its management, please reach out to Patriot Property Management.